Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see that how employee can make accommodation request, add multiple hotels of their choice, and this request is passed through manager and HR, and also generate expense of employee after this request confirm. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, the employee accommodation. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable, but created request is passed through HR or manager. So first allow these two options. So go to settings, users. See here these both options, HR, manager. First allow and save. Now go to our app and create new request. Add employee name, set email, set department name, add manager like Beth Events, set here your company name, add request date, write here your destination location like Bombay, paid by employee or company. I said company. Now add hotel name like a Taj, add from date like a 15 January and to date is 20 January. So see here this date is 5. It's based on from date and to date. Now set cost per days like a 1000. So see here state is 5 and cost per days is 1000. So total cost display here 5000 and save. Now approve this. So see here this total expense display 5000. Now I want to pass manager. So see here this request is passed draft to manager and send mail. Now pass through HR. So click on the submit to HR. So see here this request is moved on manager to HR. Now generated expense. So see here this validation error because our product is not defined. So first go to settings and add your accommodation related to your like a expense and save. Again go to your created request and again click on generate expense. So see here this view expense button display. Click on and see here description trip to Bombay, category selected expense and total 5000, employee name paid by company. Now generate this request PDF report. So see here this accommodation request report is displayed with all details, employee, department, manager, company name and display in hotel details. Below display employee signature and HR signature. Thank you.